Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Stellar or XLM. Had to do an update. There was some news, and XLM has been quite bullish right now. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on it. I've also covered XLM quite often, especially during these days right here, obviously. So I know that there's still quite a significant community of people around Cilinix Crypto who are interested in XLM. So just wanted to give you my thoughts on that. All right. We'll do a full technical analysis. I'll talk a little bit about the announcement that they made, but yeah, I'll give you my thoughts on that a little bit later, all right? But before we dive into that, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group as well, in which I share my own trades, and I'm a profitable trader. But you also gain access to a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable, and my trading guide. So if you're interested in that, consider joining. Links will be down in the description or the pinned comment. For now, onto XLM. So what we're seeing right now, just purely statistically for XLM, is a huge inflow of volume, going all the way from 60 million up to 140 million right now. So that's amazing. It also looks like most of the volume is coming from credible sources. There's some manipulated volume as well, which I don't like, but still. And that caused this, all right? A lot of bullish momentum for XLM. In general, XLM right now, in terms of market structure, is kind of between a consolidation and a downtrend, all right? You could argue that this is actually just one big consolidation, right? There's obviously bearish pressure with the EMA still dropping down and some sort of lower highs right here, but still, that means that XLM right now, with this announcement as well, which we don't know what it is about, and usually, I have to be honest, usually when I've seen these announcements like this in the last year or so, it was always just buy the rumor, sell the news, all right? So buy the announcement and then sell the news. That has usually been the case. But that does mean that right now we can still expect bullish momentum, especially with this volume that's smelling a bit like manipulation. So what I expect is that XLM will get up to 12.5 and 12.9 cents. So this area right here. That's what I expect. It's almost there as well, so that's not that much of a hot take. But there we have the 382 FIB, the 200 EMA, it's a key level, and this trend line. So it's a very strong resistance level here. And I think in general, we will actually first find resistance from there. And then it gets interesting, I would say. And I'll tell you why. Because I expect resistance there, all right? So first I expect this move up, and then resistance. And then from that resistance, if XLM is actually able to stay on top of this level right here at 12.2 and 12.4 cents, that would then be our main support for like 24 hours or so, then I actually do think XLM will break out. But that's mainly, and get up towards these levels around like 13.6 and 14 cents. But that's mainly because there's some hype around this announcement, and because I think there's a bit of manipulation going on, all right? So then something like that is possible. But like I said, I think we'll first find resistance. And if from that resistance, XLM is not able to hold that level, let's say at 12.3, so 0.1230, and drops down below that, then it's over, all right? Then it will just drop back down towards 11.5 cents and nothing happened. And we might still get bullish momentum depending on the news. But then the market structure has not significantly changed, and it's back to some sort of a weird consolidation like this. So that's really the key right here, and that's really the key thing to watch. Like I said, short term, still bullish momentum expected. It could even break above 12.9 instantly, all right? It's a possibility. I will not go too much in depth about that, but it's something you should know, like especially with a lot of volume coming from Upbit and Top Credit and Super X. Crazy things are possible, but for now, I do think the technicals will be respected, and it will depend on whether XLM is able to hold 12.3 cents or not. So that's my take on XLM. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.